What's up, guys? Hope everybody's in good spirits, as Staying Mode would say. Shout out to Staying Mode, even though you took your wrap off your car. But today we're gonna go Ford Place, get it rear differential seal, because mine's leaking, and I'm gonna get my friend to put it in. And then we gotta go cleaners, and then we'll come back home. So that's about it. But yeah, that's what we're doing today, and maybe we'll see I think they still have a Kona Blue Performance Pack Mustang in their dealership. So yeah, but the other Mustangs they had outside didn't have any like ones with the LCD screen. Because if I ever get enough money to get a new Mustang, it's gonna be like full out. I don't know full out with Recaros, but it's gonna be nice. Yeah, they got parts taken. That's why, like, if people if they have to get a new engine block because they've blown it and get it from Ford, or actually, like, if you blow your engine block, you can sell it back to Ford. That's what just the 60. We got the seal, and then there's rows and rows and rows of Mustangs.
There's one in Walmart. Let's go to Walmart.
There's the one by the gas station.
Huh?
We got the seal, and then $23. Yeah, folks. Oops. Okay, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I got the pinion seal right here, so I just need to get my friend to put that in. And yeah.